First of all, I would want any Kenyan who is experiencing rationing to come out loud and say, kwetu from 5 to 10 p.m. hakuna stima. Why? Because there is not enough power in the country. Hakuna kitu kama hiyo. What has happened is that sometimes due to maintenance of Kenya Power, you have some blackout because you don't have a transformer or something. And that is very few areas. A power rationing affects a region because it has to be switched off at a station at a, what would I call at a substation is what switches off. Lakini kama wewe neighbor akona power and then you don't have, that is not rationing.
I remember in 2000 tulikuwa na power rationing because nakumbuka nilikuwa natoka shule, I was in a day school. Nilikuwa natoka shule na nafika nyumbani na napata hakuna stima. And stima ilikuwa inarudi sometime huko 10-11 o'clock in the night. That was power rationing. That was power rationing because it was scheduled. You could even know what time you will not have power. And it's the same thing that is even happening in South Africa. That you are told this region will not have power at this point, and then this other region will be scheduled not to have power. But now, when you have intermittent loss of power, that city has power, you don't have power, and you're in the same region, being served by the same substation, that is not power rationing. And we have not reached to that point. And even Kenyan confirmed that they were able to sustain 2,400 megawatt. But Kenya, nilikuwa kumita Kenya 1, that is the president. The president, Dr. William Ruto, while in Qatar, alisema right now Kenya is experiencing power rationing. You see, what did he mean by that? First of all, that doesn't mean anything because there is no power rationing. Number two, he has some very bad advisors, and sometimes I pity him because sometimes when you are called doctor is a PhD. But sometimes you may sound like you are not informed even based on your advisors. For example, he said, and I want to clarify. He said the other day that I went to the United States of America. And he said that they just asked that they want one of the data centers. One of the data centers uses 1,000 megawatts. He wanted one to be brought here. And then he said one uses 1,000 megawatt. Let me clarify here. If anybody has seen a data center that goes beyond 150 megawatt, akuje tumpatie zawadi. Let me tell you, the biggest data center, I think in the world, is in Nevada. And it consumes a maximum of 150.
Only between 5 and 10 p.m., we have to do load shedding. We have to shut off some areas to be able to power other areas because our energy, I told you,